7th EU Accord on the Common Mobile Charging Port. According to persons familiar with the situation, EU governments and parliamentarians are expected to agree on a standard charging port for mobile phones, tablets, and headphones on June 7 when they gather to debate a plan that has been roundly criticized by Apple. After iPhone and Android customers grumbled about having to use various chargers for their phones, the European Commission proposed a single mobile charging connector more than a decade ago. The former is powered by a lightning wire, whilst Android devices are fueled via USB-C ports. The trilogue on Tuesday will be the second and most likely last one between EU nations and EU parliamentarians on the subject, indicating a significant effort to reach an agreement, according to the sources. Wireless charging systems are also to be standardized by 2025, according to EU parliamentarians, although EU nations and the Commission seek a longer lead-in time for technical reasons. Apple did not respond to a request for comment right away. It has previously said that the improper use of out-of-date international standards stifles innovation and that forcing consumers to switch to new chargers might result in a mountain of electronic garbage.